The more I study the historical silver price movements, the more I believe that silver will reach to at least 20 times its current price in the upcoming years, and the price movement could be very abrupt. I posted a silver price analysis recently last week, which is basically a confirmation of David Hunter's silver price forecast for $500 silver. You can check the link in the description below, or can check my channel's homepage or video section. So let's check the silver prices. So this one is showing historical price. Let's go back to the daily view. Okay, so by looking at the pattern, I have been observing the price of silver made its low. It seems like that it has made its low. So yeah, on the daily chart, silver seems to have made a reversal in the short term, reversal of the short term downtrend on September 14th, which was like few days ago. And from that point, from the low of $22 and 30 cents, it has gained about 5% and currently is trading at $23.22. So through the patterns I have drawn, this uptrend channel, I'm anticipating another 35% move from the current point, $23. So from the bottom, it's like a 40% move from lower side of the channel, and the upper side of the channel is $28.70. So it's also a resistance line that was formed from one of the peaks in May 2021. It's like a 35% move from this point, but it's just my thoughts. I could be wrong. I'm just sharing my thoughts. Yeah, I have also been checking silver mining stocks. My watch list of silver mining stocks over the last few days seems to be, as we can see, that silver seems to have reversed its downtrend. Also, I'm seeing nice movement in the silver mining sectors too. A lot of silver mining stocks in my watch list closed green on Friday, and they had lots they had huge large orders on the bid side. This tells me that silver mining sector is finally waking up. So let's see what the silver mining sector is doing. Well, here I have this Junior Van Eck Gold Miners ETF, and it's also the daily price. So this one made a low on August 22nd, and then it's still, it was like $27. Van Eck Gold Miners ETF, it consists of a basket of gold and silver mining stocks, and the same thing is Junior Van Eck Junior Gold Miners ETF, but it has stocks that like a different set of stocks. So this one is also trending up. You can see from the bottom, this one was $33, now $35.7. So let's go back to silver. Okay, so yeah, so we are seeing this uptrend here in silver, and that's the like short term. So what I am expecting is maybe in the next 2 weeks this price is going to be it's going to be moving higher. By looking at this, I would say that silver mining stocks are still dirt cheap. So the best thing is to gobble up silver and silver mining stocks while they are still dirt cheap. There is always a downside risk, but I'm not much worried about it. It could go much lower, but I think that there are more chances for silver and silver mining stocks to trade higher than the current prices. And I have also learned to handle this negativity and digest the negative markets over time. But anyway, remember that whatever I'm saying is only for educational purpose and not a financial advice. The only advice I can give is that whatever investment choices you are going to make for yourself, do a lot of research first, and then diversify your investment portfolio to minimize the risks. So for example, if you are invested in mining sector, so you have to have, I would say, from different sector, not just silver mining, but also include gold mining stocks, and from different sizes of the company, like low cap, high cap, junior explorers, producers. It all depends on the risk tolerance of a person who is investing. Okay, anyway, just do the research first. Don't just go with somebody telling you, okay, this is the stock and this is this whatever. So just do your own research. Okay, let's talk about the silver stocks. Okay, I have posted several in my videos before, and I'll just take an overview and yeah, also talk about more stocks today. So but not like very I'll not go in much detail. I just want to take a quick look at the stocks that are trading under 10 cents. Some of those stocks I've already like discussed before. Decade Resources. I mentioned this stock in, I think, 2 months ago when I posted a video. I mentioned this stock when it was trading at like like close to 9 cent, between 9 cent and 10 cents, and it suddenly, it was on my I also own this stock, so it was under 10 cents. And then it made a huge move on August 8 from 7.5 cent here, from there at this, from 7.5 cents to 26.5 cents in a single day. And I watched it because it was in my, I already hold this one, not in a big quantity. As I said, I also keep make sure that my portfolio is diversified. So anyway, but I had this one. So this one was like a 253%, amazing 253% gain in a single day. So yeah, that's the most recent proof that a huge explosive moves in the silver mining sectors are ahead of us. Okay, so that's just one example, and because it was like 2 weeks ago, it happened in like on 7th August, but other stocks were still like not active. And I was thinking to publish a video about Decade Resources right after watching it pop on 7th and 8th August. But I just held back because of hesitation. But anyway, now I have overcome that barrier, and after getting good response from my videos that I published in my own voice. So as you can see on my channel, there are videos from other experts too, but yeah, I'm more encouraged to do it. So anyway, so it was good that I didn't publish at that time when it was peaking up, but you can see from the chart here that from 7.5 cent it went to 25, and now that started cooling down a bit, and now currently is 17 cents. And what I think maybe that is this one is weekly chart. Okay, so let's go to daily chart. So we would see there. So yeah, I see from 26 cent is going down. Okay, so and then now here it's what point is it there? This one is 50-day moving average. So it hit this 50-day moving average, which is 15 cents. Okay, no, it was the lowest was 14.5 cents. So from 14.5 cent, it was kind of trying to reverse from this point, but it's still around this 50-day moving average. So usually, I don't know if it's going to hit this 20-day moving average or not, but we just have to watch. It could offer a opportunity, like 12 cents if silver goes down, a bit from the current like $23 price. So we'll see, but I think it will offer an opportunity to buy. So I think that it's not going to go back much lower. The reason is that if you go, I checked this company news that during August, when it was popping, the price was exploding. There was not much news there. What is going on there? Okay, yeah, it did announce a major copper discovery at the Nobody Knows Copper Project, Terrace, BC. So this one is basically a British Columbia project in British Columbia. Okay, so what happens that after that, it there was once they did once this discovery was made, it is major copper discovery, but they also have silver and then copper both. And copper prices, if you are in the market, you know that copper price is also increasing, you know, like all the commodities will skyrocket when the market is, you know, turning around. So yeah, so after that they got a huge private placement. Okay, and then yeah, that's the news about all the private placement. It was $2.2 million, and then it was increased to 2.3 billion dollar. Okay, and then there was they started announced that they are going to start aggressive exploration at the copper discovery. Okay, so this company, I don't think that is going to go much lower. I think it's a good one. I think it's a good one. But anyway, okay, so we'll stop about decade resources. Maybe another time I will go about more details, and or we'll check from my old videos to talk about this company more, you know, post a separate video about it. So anyway, today, like I was basically, my intention was to talk about stocks that are trading under 10 cents, but this one, Decade Resources, is was trading like a few weeks ago, it was under 10 cents, but now it's still 50% higher than it's more than 50% higher than its recent lows.